take a look at my number line that I have up here on the wall. What I want you to do is make sure that you have your number line out in front of you, the one that we worked on Monday. And as I point to each of these numbers, I want you to point to your numbers on your number line. So I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to make sure you have it out in front of you. While we wait, if you want to practice saying all of your numbers, you may practice, and then we'll do them together. Even though you will be on mute, I still want you to practice saying your numbers, okay? In the right order. All right. Here we go, starting on 1. You should have it sitting on a table in front of you, and you should be following with your finger, just like we did in reading today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're going to go through and say if they're even or odd. Now remember, boys and girls, the 1 is an odd number. So we're going to start with odd. And we'll say odd, even, 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 odd, even. Now, today's lesson is not specifically on odd numbers and even numbers. However, I do want to talk to you guys about what those mean. So, I'm going to show you why 2 is an even number. So let's say, I'm going to use an example. I see Cadence. So, Cadence and I see 2 cookies. 1 cookie, 2 cookie. And we want to share them. If Cadence gets 1 cookie and I get 1 cookie, we are even. We each have the same number. If we had 3 cookies and I wanted to share them with Cadence, and Cadence says, okay, well, I want 2 of them, and you get 1. Is that fair? Is that even? Do we get the same number? No. So that is why 3, see 3 cubes, is odd. Odd just means you don't get the same amount for each person. Even means you do. So if it was 4, take a look at 4. 4 is red, that means it's even. I have 4 cubes here. 2 for Cadence, 2 for Miss Prince. Do we have the same number each? Yep, we do. So that means it's even. We will be talking about even and odd a little bit more later in the week. But for right now, your job is to go get your cubes. So you should have 2 sets of cubes. Today we're only using 1. So go ahead and just get 1 set of 10 cubes. And you're going to set it on your desk. You're also going to get your bag of numbers that you cut out with Miss Cheatham yesterday. So I'm going to give you about 2 minutes to make sure you have all of that in front of you. So your bag of numbers and 1 set of your cubes, not 2 sets. We only want 1 set. Go through and make sure that you have exactly 10 little cubes. So that's your job right now. Go get these and we'll get started. If you are also ready, can you show me by using the raise hand button? I'm going to put all hands down really quick, and then you can go ahead and hit your raise hand button. Okay, so if you are ready, go ahead and hit the raise hand button. I can see Cadence is ready. She hit the button. Cruz, are you ready? Paige, are you ready? I can't tell. Deleza? Nicholas? Mason? Petra? Eli O? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Petra's ready. Nicholas is ready. Mason, I need to see you use the raise hand button, or can you unmute and tell me you're ready? Same with you, Eli.
Ready.
Ready? Perfect. Awesome. Okay, go ahead.
Ready.
Excellent. Go ahead and find your mute button, and you're going to click it, and I'm going to talk to you guys about what we're doing. So, if I have some cubes in my hand, and I lay them flat on the table, Cruz, I want you to tell me how many cubes I lay on the table, okay? So, Cruz, go ahead and unmute. Cruz, go ahead and unmute. Cadence, it looks like you're ready. Can I have you unmute?
Okay, I'm unmuted.
Awesome. So I'm just going to hold out some cubes, and I want you to tell me the number as quick as you can, okay? Ready?
Okay. 3.
3. So you knew that number in a snap. You just looked at these cubes and you knew it was 3. If I were to put some more in my hand, and I said, Cadence, I want you to count these. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
7. So, even though you did that pretty quick, was it easier to just see these 3 and know in a snap that it was 3?
Yeah.
How about this?
And
How many?
1.
1. So, the smaller numbers, boys and girls, those are going to be ones that you just know in your brain in a snap. You don't even have to count them. If I had 2 cubes right here, you would know super quick that I had 2 cubes. But when I had 7 out there, it makes it a little bit more tricky. So what we're going to do is practice building with our cubes today. So you should only have 10 cubes. Can you make sure you have your 10 cubes on your table? And I'm going to be checking in with each of you. I'm going to have each of you turn on your video one at a time to show that you are doing this with me, because it's super important that you are following directions. Then I want you guys to just get your numbers 1 to 10. So we're going to be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These bigger numbers you're going to be using with Miss Cheatham tomorrow. So for today, you're doing the 10 with me. So today, you will need one group of 10 cubes and numbers 1 through 10. Tomorrow, you're going to use 2 of your cube sets. So you'll have 20 cubes, and you'll use your numbers all the way to 20. But for today, we're only going to 10. So, I'm going to hold up a number card, and I want you to build that with your cubes. So I'm going to show you what that looks like, okay? We're going to start with a super easy one. Are you ready? And then, so I want you to build me a cube model with 1. That was way too easy, right? Okay, so now we're going to go through each number and we're going to build onto these cubes. So every time we add one more cube, we're going to see that our number goes up. So we're just adding on one number each time. So, Paige, can you please show your video? You don't have to unmute right now, but I just want to see your video. Perfect. So, Paige, I'm actually going to give you a couple of seconds to get organized. You should only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The bigger numbers, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all the way to 20, those ones should be back in your bag, and they should be away, because we don't need those right now. We only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You have enough room, you just can't be messy, which is, I understand, is difficult for you.
So while we
Okay,
wait
so-
for Paige to get ready, boys and girls, I want you to build, so you have 1 cube. Now I want you to show me 2 cubes together. So, we had 1, and now we're just adding on another. So now we have 2.
8, 5, 4, 3. All right, so then we're going to skip these up and put them back.
Deleza, can I have you show your screen? Perfect. Deleza, can you please show me 3 cubes stacked together? So we had 2, and now we're going to add 1 more. 3 cubes. Some of you boys and girls might have numbers on your cubes. That's okay, but for right now we're just going to show the blank side. 3 cubes. Awesome job, Deleza. So now watch what I'm going to do. I would like you guys to show me 4. So we have 3. Now we just need to add 1 more. Now we have 4 cubes. We're going in order this time, boys and girls. Eli, thank you for showing me. But then I'm going to mix the numbers up, and I'm going to hold one up, and I want you guys to build that number, okay? So right now we have 4. Paige, are you ready? We have 4. And then we're going to do 1 more. So now we have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. Okay, this time I want you to add another cube and then pick up the card for how many we have. So we had 5 and then we just added 1 more. So find the card that matches. And I'm going to have Mason show screen. Show your video, Mason. So I know that you're following along with us. Mason, can you show your video? Petra, I see you raising your hand. Petra, will you show your screen? So Petra, I had 5, and then I added another one on, so I have my 5. I just added another one on. Can you find the card that goes with this number? Perfect. I see that she has a 6. You should also have a 6. All right, I'm putting the card down. I'm adding a cube. Now I'm going to call on somebody else to find the card. Eli. So I had 6, Eli. I added a cube, and now I need to find the card that goes with this. So you have your cubes. Can you show me which card you picked up? Do you have your cards, Eli?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Find the card.
Okay. Found it.
All right, so Eli, count your cubes that you have and then find the right card that goes with it. Do you know the number?
Yeah, 6.
So we had 6. Eli, look here. 6, and then one more. What do we have now?
7.
Good job. Can you find the 7 card?
Yeah. Yeah.
So Eli, as you get ready with that, I want you to look at my screen. Do you see that I already have them all ready? That's part of making sure that we're following directions the first time. So tomorrow when you're with Miss Cheatham, I want you to show me that you have all of your stuff ready to go, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Did you find your card?
No, yeah, it's kind of small.
I'm going to hold it up just because we don't have a bunch of time left. So Eli, look for this card. We have 7. Nice job, Eli. Okay, so I put the card down and I'm going to add another cube. Nicholas, can I have you show your screen? And the right card that you picked. I had 7 and I just added one more. Okay, Nicholas, go ahead and unmute and tell me how many cubes you have.
8.
8. Can you find your 8 card and hold it up? So tomorrow, Nicholas, when you do this with Miss Cheatham, I want your space where you're working to look like mine, where my numbers are just right in front of me, and I can grab one in a snap. Here, I'll do a quiz with you. Nicholas, is this 8?
That's 4.
Oh, is this 8?
That's 5.
Is this 8?
That's 8.
Perfect. That's what we were looking for, is 8. So can you make sure that all of you have your 8 card with your stick of 8 cubes? Petra's ready. Eli's ready. Cruz, I haven't heard from you. Are you there?
No.
Okay, I had 8.
But I can use some help to find it.
So I had 8. And now I'm going to add another one. So how many do I have now? Show me with your cubes and with your number. Good job. Cadence is ready.
I can't find it.
Deleza, can you show me?
I'm supposed to add more.
So we had 8 cubes, and now we are adding one more. Mason, there you are. Deleza, what number should I hold up? I had 8, and I just added one more cube. What card should I hold up? Can you choose your card?
9.
9. Can you show me where a 9 is on your cards? Mason, can you show me also? So you should have 9 cubes stacked with a 9 card. Mason, you're going to be doing the next one, so make sure you're ready. Awesome job. Okay, Mason, watch what I do. Card goes down. Adding my last cube. Now I have a 10 stick. Can you find the right card that matches this? Amazing. You guys are so smart. I would like Petra to go next. So this is what we're going to do. Watch this. I'm going to take it apart. Take your cube apart so they're all by themselves. All right. I'm going to mix my numbers up. That's why we need to make sure we only have 1 through 10. And I'm going to choose a number. Petra, go ahead and turn your video on.
Teacher, it won't let me.
There we go. Hi, Petra. Okay, Petra, so I'm going to hold up a card, and I want you to build it with your cubes, okay? Ready? Go ahead and build it. Boys and girls, you should be building this also. So if you see this number, go ahead and build it with your cubes. And when you're ready, raise your hand, and we'll check our cubes. Cruz is ready.
Monica, turn my video on. Ready.
If you don't hear from me by the end of next
Cruz, nice job.
7.
Okay, show me your cubes.
week, just call me number.
Show me this many cubes.
They'll send you to me. If I don't pick up, leave me a voicemail and I'll call you.
Awesome job.
Like I said,
All right, I'm going to build it. 1,
I don't get the phone
2,
to jive
3,
with the app I'm using, but I can
4,
always check my emails and I check my voicemails often during the day.
5,
And hopefully we'll call you right back.
6, one more, 7. Okay, this time I'm going to give you a number. Go ahead and break your cube apart. I'm going to give you a number, and you need to find the card and the number of cubes that goes with it, okay? Your number is 4. So find your correct number card and show me 4 cubes put together. This is going to be our last one.
You know, if I need your help with anything also, but I appreciate the.
So I see Petra's card, but I also need to see Petra show me 10 of these together. So hold it up. Nicholas, I can see yours. Where's your 4 card, Nicholas? Deleza, do you have your 4 card? Cadence, can you show me on the screen? Eli, can you show me? Paige, can you show me? And Mason, can you show me? You guys should have the card that says 4.
Let me find it first. This is kind of hard because 4 is like a so small number.
It is kind of a small number, isn't it? And then you're going to build 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3,
Got it.
4.
Teacher, I got 4.
Awesome job. Can you guys show me like this? Your cube should be almost the same exact length as your number card. Just a little tiny bit showing. Awesome job, Cruz. Looks good. Mason, can you hold it up so I can see it? Paige, nice job. Mason, hold up 4 and 4 cubes. Awesome job. Okay, so tomorrow, I'm going to have you guys turn videos off and go ahead and mute. Thank you. So tomorrow, boys and girls, you're going to be doing this and practicing with Miss Cheatham. You're going to go over your number line with her. So make sure you have your number line. Then you're going to be playing this game with your cubes. But this time, you're going to have card 1 all the way up to card 20. So make sure that when you start your lesson with her tomorrow, that you have all of your cubes. Now watch how easy peasy I'm going to keep this clean. Watch how clean I'm going to keep this. All my cards are in my bag. And my cubes are in my bag. Tomorrow you will need both of your 10 sticks. You should have 2 different colors of cubes. So I think I have a red set also here. Yours might be black or white or yellow or green. But you want to make sure you have both sets tomorrow in all of your number cards. Go put these in a safe place. We are all done with math today, and you will meet you back here in about 15 minutes for writing.